Centennial College is proud to offer 3 degree programs in Public Relations Management, Information Technology, and Nursing. Combining both Public Relations and Business Studies, the Honors Bachelor of Public Relations Management degree is the first of its kind in Canada. This program prepares you for a career in social media, public relations, or corporate communications. We're proud to be the only post-secondary institution in Ontario to offer the Bachelor of Information Technology. Centennial was specially selected by the Ministry of Colleges and Universities to deliver this applied science program in response to the acute need for professionals in the industry. Our Bachelor of Science in Nursing is a collaborative program where students complete their first 2 years with Centennial and their last 2 at Ryerson University. Our students graduate with the ability to play an integral role in shaping the future of healthcare. For further opportunities to learn, we have joint programs and transfer partnerships with colleges and universities around the world. Centennial College gives you the best of a college and university education. Explore the many paths to earning your degree today.